Hi, I'm Bridgetta, and today I'm making baked chicken burritos. There's a lot of ingredients, but they play a very important role in making a great dinner. What I decided to do was make a special sauce to go on top of the burritos, and it's actually the sauce I used when I made chicken tostadas. So I started out with sour cream. I've got some avocado, lime juice, got water, ranch seasoning mix, and I've also got some cilantro. So we'll start with this. If we need more, we'll add it. Okay, let's mix. So now I'm going to warm my pan on the stove. I'm going to add onion, green pepper, and also garlic. This is all going to go inside our tortilla. Now I chopped a whole green pepper, but I'm not going to use all of that. And now I'm going to add my garlic. We're just going to cook this for a few minutes till they soften up. Okay, we're ready for our next step. We're going to add our chicken. Now I've shredded it. I got chicken, I cooked it in the crock pot, and I shredded it. And I even actually added some chicken broth to it to keep it moist. This is way more than we need. Black beans, I only am using half a can, but you can use a whole can. I've got corn. Of course, all the information for the recipe will be in the description box. I've got chili seasoning. And I've got cumin. And I'm going to add some salt and pepper. And you can adjust this to the way you like it. All right, now I have my tortillas laid out. I couldn't fit them all on my cutting board. I'm going to start with my sauce. I'm going to put that in the bottom. Just spread it around. Okay. All right, so I'm going to start filling my tortillas. I want to try and spread it out. I am going to leave the sides open. Okay. And then some cheese. So I've got a mixture of cheddar and mozzarella. Okay, then I'm just going to roll it up as tightly as possible. Be careful when you lift it. And then we're going to sit it in our dish. Okay. Okay, our next one, same thing. Okay, seam side down. Okay, next we're going to put some more of the sauce across the top. I'm just going to put it in the middle because I'll serve it with more sauce also. Okay, and then I'm going to put our cheese. Now the measurements I gave in the recipe are approximate because you're probably going to want to serve it with more cheese also. So same cheese, mixture of mozzarella and then cheddar. Oh yeah, I forgot. I couldn't fit everything in this dish, so I have another dish with the remaining 3. So I'll save some of the cheese for that. Okay, now we can put it in the oven. Okay, I've got it set at 350 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. All right, and now we wait. Can't get my oven mitt on. Okay. All right. There we go. We're going to fancy it up. Now we're going to try baked chicken burritos. But first I want to say a few things. I did do a mashup, like I said, between a tostada and a burrito. We like this sauce. The sauce that came with the original recipe was okay. So we're trying it now for the first time using this sauce.
Okay. Which
we already know we like the sauce. So
little lime.
Little lime. So you can do things any way you want. The quantity, and I put them on a bed of lettuce. That was just for the picture.
I can do it any way I want.
Yeah.
You heard her, guys. I'm going. Oh. Mmm. Perfection.
Oh yeah, I know.
Oh man, I'm going for another bite.
This is really good.
Wow.
So before serving it, I added more cheese, more sauce, more cheese. And you saw Mark added the lime.
Delicious.
So it's something totally different. You like the sauce?
Sauce is good.
I do too.
Perfect.
I know. God, what more can we say when it's perfect?
Please like and subscribe.
Thank you so much for watching. Welcome to all new subscribers. We're going to see you again real soon with another great recipe. Bye-bye.
Really nice for that.
I'm happy with it.
Yum.